do you recommend that everybody that is involved in a accident get a lawyer first before they talk to the adjuster or the insurance company? Because adjusters will try to trick you and they'll try to record your conversation and get you to say things that will benefit them and hurt you in a truck or a car accident.
Great question.
I do. And a good lawyer is going to meet with you free of charge. Okay, they're not going to charge you a fee, and it's very important that you get a lawyer early on because, like you said, these adjusters, look, they're professionals. They've been doing it a long time. Their job is very, very simple. If they're working for an insurance company, their job is to make sure that they pay you as little as possible. Bottom line, and they'll do. 99% of them are above board, but they have a playbook that they go by. They take statements, they try to ask certain questions to get you trapped into a situation, and having a lawyer will protect you in that situation, Bill.
Absolutely.
I have a kind of follow-up question.
Okay.
So just as an average person, let's say if I get in a fender bender, literally someone hits my bumper, should you call a lawyer then, or should you just call one if somebody's injured?
Sure, and just like he just said, I mean, any good lawyer worth their salt, they're going to tell you whether you need a lawyer or not. I'm sure Robert can attest to this, but I mean, we tell more people on a weekly basis that they don't need a lawyer. I probably 3 or 4 on Friday alone that called in, and they talk about a little fender bender. There's, in fact, I remember one. They were at the mall, and their car was in the parking lot, and they were involved in an accident, and there was no injury. They're dealing with the insurance company. That's something you don't need a lawyer for. But call first. I mean, they did the right thing and they did the smart thing. They called a lawyer first, and the lawyer then said, hey, you don't need a lawyer. But check that out first. Do not talk to the insurance company until you at least consult with a lawyer, and then you can find out. And hopefully, you know, and this sounds crazy, but hopefully you won't need someone like me or Robert.
Yeah.
Because if you do, then unfortunately, then there's injuries involved, and and again, it is not a fun process. It's not a process that you want to have. This is no way to make a living or have money come to you, because people that are injured, it is a life-changing experience, unfortunately, in a lot of situations.